Good morning, Goldie. I found you in the kitchen making your morning drink. We're on vacation in the Grand Cayman Islands together, and both of us have a lot of Sunrider with us. So, what are you making there, Goldie?
Well, every morning I have been having my favorite. I either make a Calli tea or I make the Fortune Delight. Raspberry flavor is my favorite. And then I add the Vitashake, which is like a morning coffee for me right now. It's just amazing because it gives me energy, it tastes good, and all I need to do is add, actually in this cup, I add half a package of Vitashake, half a package of my Fortune Delight powder, put in some cold to start, and then hot water, and then fill it up with hot water and add my Sun Care drops, which is also stevia, the Sunrider Stevia with some chrysanthemum flower. So I'm set. I love it.
That is so perfect. And it's the chocolate Vitashake that you like.
Yes.
Better than the strawberry. I like the strawberry, so you love the chocolate. And then you use the cinnamon Calli when you're making your drink.
Cinnamon or mint. Mint
Okay.
is really lovely as well.
With chocolate. Oh my gosh, how creative.
I know, we're so
Yeah.
blessed.
And today we go to the Crystal Caves.
I know.
So I'll be making mine up in a few minutes. So thank you, Goldie. I love Sunrider. And go to www.diana2.com and have fun in the sun today.
Will do.
Stay healthy.